back day 2 from Goa, and we are planning today for Agota Fort and inka రెండు మూడు places ఉన్నాయి. We'll decide from here, and please ignore this messy rain. What are the places we are covering today?
So we are covering the Para coconut tree, and then Agoda Fort.
Okay.
Then there is Fauntea, where there is fountain. Okay, you can go there. And then at last the Baga Beach.
We are closing with Baga Beach.
Yeah, we are closing with Baga Beach.
We are having lunch today.
So our plan is, let's see by the road where we can go. There are many places, you know. I have seen some cafes.
I want to add one point. It's a Telugu channel, right?
Yes.
So speak in Telugu.
Yeah,
Sorry, I don't know proper Telugu, so I
So
can't.
yeah, you can have it like mixy.
No, see, you are the teacher for me, okay?
Okay, guys. Nothing. Bye.
Lucky, please translate what I said, okay?
Yeah, sure. Come.
So, what I have said, just translate to them
Yeah.
what we are going to do today.
వీడియో చెప్పింది నేను ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తా అయినండి
చెప్పండి.
చెప్పండి రాయరే బోల్
Yeah, both. Translate.
So, please translate, okay? So now we are going to Agoda Fort.
వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్
Agoda Fort, okay?
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ వెళ్తున్నాం అగోడా
Agoda.
After that, we are going to Para coconut tree.
పారా కోకోనట్ ట్రీ దాని తర్వాత వెళ్తున్నాం మేబీ అరౌండ్ 4-5
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Then there is Fauntea, where there is a hidden waterfall.
అక్కడ ఫౌంటైన్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది అక్కడ వాటర్ కనిపించాలంట హిడెన్ యూ హావ్ టు సీ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్
It is not water, it's waterfall.
వాటర్
Medium.
ఫాల్ అంట కానీ కనిపించదంట చూడాలి
Okay.
And then at last, we are going to Baga Beach for the shacks. We'll chill out there. We'll have our dinner last there, and we'll complete our day with that.
సో చిల్ కొట్టడానికి లాస్ట్కి బాగా తీసుకెళ్తున్నాం దాని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంటికి రావడం సో విల్ సీ హౌ ద సెకండ్ డే విల్ గో
Yeah, right. Are you excited for today?
Definitely, bro, because it's first time for me.
First time.
So,
And what about Rahul? He's very busy, it seems.
forward for the day 2.
Okay.
We are gonna enjoy it.
Hope for the best.
Yeah.
How was your first day? I mean,
Let's
day
go.
one.
హౌస్ ద జోష్
Yeah.
Very down for Lucky.
నో ఐఎమ్ ఓన్లీ డూయింగ్
Lucky is only hungry.
Hungry?
లంచ్
He is only hungry.
Hungry for?
Hungry for food.
We came to explore places. Lucky came to explore food.
Food.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ద
But
పాయింట్
what he ate yesterday? Veg. Yesterday
He ate
came
veg.
ate veg.
He came to Goa and he ate veg.
And,
But today
instead of
obviously
seafood and all.
Everyone comes here for enjoying in beach, but he came for swimming pool. Especially we have booked a place.
బట్ వి ఆర్ నాట్
Also has
గోయింగ్
a
బట్ వి ఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ రైట్
We are going
No, we are going. For you specifically, I told him we'll come at 5 o'clock to enjoy at the, you know, swimming pool.
What is the saddest part is they will close at 5 o'clock only.
No, but for Lucky specifically, I told him.
time bro
No, I told him specifically that Lucky, the bro, he will come at 5 o'clock and then he will chill out in the swimming pool.
yeah
So he has kept open.
we'll see how the day will go on
Okay, let's move on.
Chalo. Like everything's ready. Let's go first. I mean, where we are going first place?
First, it's Agoda Fort.
Agoda Fort. Okay, so, okay then meet you at the Agoda Fort. Let's go. Oh no, I forgot my camera. ఏం చేస్తారు అది on the way to Agoda Fort, we are having some good lunch. I'm just waiting for the restaurant actually. So, 7 kilometers from our way to Agoda Fort. Let's hope for the best restaurant to eat some lunch. Yeah.
bye
In complete Goa, we have like total wine shops ఉన్నాయి ఓవరాల్గా. I mean కిరాణా షాప్ అని ఉండదు కానీ ఓవరాల్గా వైన్ షాప్స్ మాత్రం చాలా ఉన్నాయి. సో we are still waiting for a good restaurant, to eat something and start to the Agoda Fort. And after that, we are still covering some of the places. Okay. Yeah, I think we found a good place.
अच्छा मेरे को ये बताइए आपके 350 का जो है ना
What is it?
Fish fingers.
Fish fingers.
This is a boneless fish. Deep
Okay.
fried.
Nice.
अच्छा
Did you try this fish?
no no
Right? How is the fish? Finger fish. Good. And I think I have biryani and I have.
But they are complicated.
Nice view in 1, 2, 3.
Time is gonna be from 9 to 5, right?
9 to 6.
Entry fee is 25.
And here
We are on
actually,
the top floor.
yeah. And the backside is a good location.
yeah
So what do you think about this place?
so I think it's a nice place you can come here in the noon I think yeah when there is no sun there is no heat here so that is one part and you can have a nice pictures here you can take good pictures in the evening.
Agoda Fort ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది and next we are going to again Kalangut to book rides for tomorrow like water rides and everything సో ఓవరాల్ ప్యాకేజ్ ఉందో అనుకుంటా మేబీ అది వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి మాట్లాడేసి దెన్ టుమారో కంప్లీట్లీ వీ విల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ ఇన్ టు ది రైడ్స్. సో టుడే ఆఫ్టర్ బుకింగ్ దట్ రైడ్స్ మేబీ విల్ క్లోజ్ విత్ ది పామ్ ట్రీ రోడ్ వెరీన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి అ నైస్ లొకేషన్. ఒక లొకేషన్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది వేర్ వీ కెన్ క్లిక్ అ నైస్ పిక్చర్స్. సో వీఆర్ హెడింగ్ టు నౌ Kalangat. Yeah, but compared to all other states, like food matram chala cost undi, like double the price of Hyderabad. Even if you take a biryani, like it will be double, like minimum 400 plus, like heavy cost. Food vishamlo you should be like careful in spending money, right? Yeah, and rest all like for everything parking is like 50 rupees at every place. Just Lucky, do you want to say anything about driving experience in Goa?
Yeah, it's cool, but traffic చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది.
Obviously, it will be traffic. Like Goa is a place
Because-
where people meet, right?
సీజన్ కదా, చాలా
Yeah,
ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంది. అండ్ హీట్.
Yeah, the humidity will be
Humidity
more
will be the
because
more
we are
because-
surrounded by seas and like every beaches, right? So it will be obviously humidity ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Yeah. Hi guys, after booking the rides for tomorrow, we are heading now to Palm Tree Road. You can check this point out. You can check this view. We have to park our vehicles aside and we can take nice pictures here. Like we'll get a good pictures, we'll go over to the front, I believe, like to get a good picture. Finally, we are at Palm Tree Road. The time is at 6 o'clock now. We'll get a nice pictures here. You can check it out. The nice place. And, I think we have more half an hour of time, or else the light will go. Like we can't get a good pictures then. So, jaldi koncham photos తీసుకొని then we'll get back to our room because tomorrow we have water rides at morning 7 o'clock. So we have to get back soon to room. And ఎందుకంటే మార్నింగ్ మళ్ళీ తొందర లేవాలి కాబట్టి సో వీ నీడ్ టు గో అండ్ యూ క్యాన్ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్ ద లొకేషన్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఎవరు వచ్చినా సరే గోవాలో 100% ఈ ప్లేస్ మిస్ అవ్వద్దు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గుడ్ ప్లేస్. Finally the day 2 ended here in Palm Trees Road and so finally the day 2 ended here and how was it today, the day 2?
So day 2 was very good, very exciting. We planned for tomorrow's trip.
Water rides, right?
Yeah, water. It's complete water rides, and we are going to do something interesting that
Okay.
you will know tomorrow. And
And any
And
plans
today-
for now? As of now, I think I
as
will
of
to go
now, I think we will go to Baga.
to. Okay, again, Baba?
Yeah, or Baga, or else Kalangut
Okay.
to end our day,
Okay.
and then we'll have our dinner and off to bed because we have to get up early tomorrow.
Early tomorrow.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So
this
that's
is it. This is it for today. The day 2 has ended like this, and so we'll open another day 2. Next, we'll check the day 3. The day 3 will be full of water sports, I believe, like water sports, everything. And let's try to create some memories here. This is it for today. See you tomorrow.
Can you make it go away? Can you make it?
Listen carefully. Join me. Follow me on Facebook.
Next,
Follow me on Twitter.
next.
Together, we must make it happen.
Saraka, whatever.